wish you knew me better, but you really don't. And it's like every time I get up, I'm just trying to cope. I gotta roll another L up, or you trying to smoke? Alright, then I'ma get.
Hey guys, and welcome to Time with Temi, where every week you get to spend a little bit of time with me in the minutes that is my brain. I just want to preface this by saying I'm really making this video for me and for no one else, just to log how my style evolves during this year. So today I'm coming at you with a how-to video in terms of styling colour. I should hopefully do these once a month where I teach you and also teach myself how to style colour. Now, everyone likes to wear black all the time. It's our favourite thing. Like black and white, typical monochrome type colours. I love to play with those because there's not a lot that goes into it. And you can actually do so much with two colours, so we love to see it. But I just wanted to expand my wardrobe a bit, and by expanding my wardrobe, like revamping my style, changing it up, because I am a 90s babe, but I want to feed into that even more. And I say this a lot, and you know, I have certain style influences like Sweetie, I think really embodies the whole 90s and early 2000s fashion. So I just want to play into that a bit more. So I'm just trying to play with colours, play with textures, play with different materials and styles and stuff, just to see if I can really, if like when you look at me, you see a 90s babe, and I just fully and solely embody that lifestyle. So today we are going to be playing with some nudes, and I'm really excited because I don't wear a lot of nude colours. It was nice for me to delve into that and explore that, because I would wear a neon orange before I wore a nude colour usually, but now I'm really into nudes, especially chocolate brown. And I want to get rid of us saying chocolate brown, because for us black women, chocolate brown is just our nude colour, so we're just going to call it nudes. But I love playing into a deep dark brown colour. So I've put together 5 outfits, and I just want to deconstruct them and break down how I came up with them, why I did, I guess, certain bits of them, why I did this and that, and just debunk those outfits. So I hope you enjoy. But before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notifications, you know, every single time I post. So as I previously said, I want us to get out of the habit of calling a deep brown colour a chocolate brown when it's simply just a nude colour. But I wanted a fully chromatic nude look, because I've seen these floating around everywhere, and I think they're really pretty. So I have this brown leather jacket that I got, I think last summer, from this place called Delve Vintage, which, you know, I absolutely love, and I've worn it before, and like if we weren't in lockdown, I would be wearing this all the time because I love that jacket so much, but I have nowhere to go in it. But I have that leather jacket with the brown leather jackets that I got from Zara, with the dark brown crop top, so that's kind of ruched on the side from Pretty Little Thing. So that's just my fully chromatic brown look, and that's where I wanted to start. It's simple and it's easy because you're just going with one colour scheme and one colour theme. So I think that's really nice when playing with nudes. With my second outfit, as I said in my how to style monochrome video, and if you haven't seen that, I highly suggest that you do. It will be linked somewhere here. When it comes to colours, you always have to remember that there are shades to it. There are already so many different shades that you can do with it, and so many different shades that you can play with. So that's what I did today. So if we're sticking with the brown leather trousers that I got from Zara, I went for a completely different toned crop top on the top. Like, it's not even just it's a different tone, I feel like the undertones of it are different. So for a dark brown, the undertones are very red, but for the crop top that I had, I think they're more neutral undertones, or even, I don't know what undertones there could be, but they're lighter undertones compared to like the red. So something like, I want to say like an olivey undertone. If there is such thing as like a blue undertone, I would say a bluer undertone, because it gives it a more matte sort of look. Dusted. That's what I want to call it. It's got a sort of dusted kind of look. It's not that pure brown colour that we had before. And on top of that, I have this checkered shirt that I got from the menswear section in River Island, because you can always buy stuff in menswear. Thank you, Darmani, for teaching me that. But there are a lot of different colours in that, obviously. But there are some browns and some light pastel blues in it, which I really enjoyed because I think it complemented the two tones that I'm already wearing underneath. And it brought the outfit completely together in my eyes. And then I guess pictorially, depending on how you edited it, you can definitely make that blue like even more, like an even paler colour. And then with outfits 3 and 4, we're now looking at the different tones that you can get from that whole phrase, nudes, because obviously your nudes can be different to my nudes, and I think especially when you're playing with nudes, it's good to mix and match those colors. So we go all the way back to that leather jacket that I thrifted. For both outfits, I went with what the dictionary defines as a nude and doesn't include us, but that general nude creamy color, almost white, more so an off-white than a cream color underneath. So we have that with this high neck roll up, and also with this hoodie that I also got from Menswear in River Island. And what I really loved about the hoodie is the detail that you had on the turtleneck bit, which you can kind of wear as a mask, where that is just like embroidered into that bit. And even then you can see the contrast of the two shades I was talking about earlier. Pairing my nude color for a nude color that doesn't fit my skin tone, I thought was really nice, because they complemented each other, because they're quite stark opposites in like the intensity of the color. You've got my nude that is just intense and it's such a rich color, and then you have this like paler, creamier nude that's just like, you know. And then last but not least, we have this dress that I got from Misguided, which I think fully embodies what I'm saying about outfits 3 and 4. It's about mixing all of those nude colors. So you literally have a rich brown to a beige color to just then the white, and you can see all of those play off each other and just the nude, how they complement each other. But anyways guys, that is all that I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up so I know that I'm making content that you enjoy. Any other colors that you want me to try styling, please leave them in the comments down below, because that is my aim for this year, just to play with colors and see what I can do with them. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notifications so you know every single time that I post, and all of my social media links will be in the description box below. I enjoyed the time I got to spend with you. I hope you enjoyed the time you got to spend with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!